My daddy made this beat.
What's the deal, YouTube? Car Guru back with another one. So we at the house today, working on the Camaro as usual, as you know, since LS Fest is a couple days away. Today's date is the let's see, today the 19th. Today is the 19th, so 19th of April. You already know LS Fest is on the 23rd, the first day at least. So let's go check this out. Garage not open. Okay, let's go ahead and go in here. Yep, y'all see that? The transmission is back. Fully built, stage 2 shift kit, stage 2 everything on the inside. Everything in this transmission is ready to go, ready to lay down some power, and it will not break. Here the intake is almost out. I'll be right back with y'all. I need to turn this off. As y'all can see, the intake is almost off. I just need to get a pair of pliers, take that tube off, and the intake will be off. So besides the transmission is here, and the beat already wired up, as y'all seen, I want to show y'all something else. So, ouch. Yeah, the camshaft has arrived for the Camaro, and y'all see that? We got that Tooley Racing. You already know what the deal is. Came with the everything you need for the, you know what those are. That's the lifters that go with the cam. Then we got the valve train component right here. I don't feel like opening that. Got a new timing chain. Got the new timing chain. Oh shit. That's gonna be an awkward ass video right there. Sorry about that, y'all. So we got the timing chain. We got that. Components, we got the lifters. The cam is here. Got another transmission mount. Is the guys, the lifter guys, put that in there. Got a new cam plate, cam thrust plate, plus a list of other Fail Pro boxes that we need to put the cam in. Y'all see all that. So yeah, the cam is here, guys. Let me open that up for you so y'all can see that jewelry. Woo! Cam look ready to go, and uh-oh. Yeah, this thing is gonna be loping. I feel that cam separation. Blockity block. Blockity block, 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 block. Anyway. But yeah, y'all see that. So the this Camaro. I didn't even show y'all. The head's not here, but got the LS2 intake. LS2 intake ready to go. So, you know, with a couple of days away, we getting real close to where we need to be, running and everything. So that's the quick little update I want to give y'all. If you haven't already, go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you know when I drop new videos. We're on the road to LS Fest. A lot of y'all probably didn't think we was gonna make it, but we here. So shout out to our engine builder, Elko Mill. Y'all see this? It's ready to come off. Just gotta get that thing off, and I'll let y'all. I'll give you a video clip when I get that off. But other than that, check it out next time.
That I got it, I get it. Manifest, I see clear with a vision. Ooh, yeah.
My dad.
I almost forgot. We got all the gaskets that we need. intake cover gasket, timing chain gasket, and the head gaskets right here. Everything we need ready to go. So we shouldn't be rushing to get no parts. But yeah.
Sound like manifesting to the sunrise. Working with the energies, I'm a real wizard. Tapped into the ethers, how I tell the future. How I feel your spirit. Looking through my crystal ball, I can have it all. Probably think I'm talking shopping sprees at the mall. Hella strippers, hella cars, nigga, that shit small. Tryna shine big lights all up in your mind. I can lead you to the door, but can't make you use the key. Anything more require too much energy. I stay with it with a stake, you can't bear.
Y'all see that mess? Oh, shit hit my head. Intake off. Head, one side of the head is off.
I just think that I got it, I get it. Manifest, I see clear with a vision.